Yup.
Big cock Eddie.
Just installed some new coils on this bad boy right here.
Max
Eddie right
ends.
here. Eddie, you're on your car number 6.
Going on to number 7. You already know. Tomorrow.
It's automatic.
Hey, but it's clean title. AC still works.
I'm always getting cars from like out of state.
It's from out of state.
Yeah, this one's from Arizona.
Oh my fucking god, dude. Come on.
Where's the inspection at?
You're gonna pay that.
Except it has California title. So.
All
You're
right.
gonna pay that annual fee.
The Civic was from like Ohio or something. I don't even know anymore.
6'1".
And then the Miata was from Nevada.
Oh yeah, all these fucking cars out of state, dude. Mira esta de aquí, mira.
6'1" racing.
That's stable, bro. That makes a 5 horsepower. Bro.
We got some cliff vents too. We're gonna install right here because they did some ricer shit right here. Crisp me like my dick cheese. Yeah. Gotta make a sick edit like Eddie did with the bikes.
Shitty music.
Hey, rev it, bro.
Hey, I got the Hydro E-brake. It's done.
They be eating the wood.
Yeah, for real.